everyone, I hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to upload a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So first you're going to hit manage videos right here. It will take you to here and you will pick the video you want to edit and hit details. Once you go to details, I hit right here, it says view on YouTube, and just hit that and it takes you to your YouTube video, and then I scroll through it and find the part that I want to take a screenshot of. So if I like this part, if I scroll through it and think I like this part, then I hit control and then the button that is right above the 6 on a Chromebook, and it has a rectangle with 2 lines. Don't exactly know what it's called, but I hit control and then that button and it takes a screenshot. So I hit copy to clipboard, and then I add a tab right here and go to Google Drawings. And also, to get to Google Drawings, if you don't have it as a bookmark, then you just add a tab and then you can go to the little waffle right here and then go to Drive, and some of the options you hit New, and then here, and then you hit New, and then there are a bunch of different options, and one of them is Google Drawings. So you just hit that and then it will take you to a new Google Drawing. And to upload an image, I hit insert image right here and then upload from computer. And it loads, and then go to recent. And then the first one there is a screenshot, which would be what you want to upload. And then you go here, and then there are different, you can crop the image by double tapping it, like so. And then once you like how it is, you can make it bigger and add text. If I crop the image and move it around and I like how it is, then I would add a text box right here, and then I can type what I want to say, blah 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 blah. And then if I make it nice and good and I like it, then I go over here to File and Download, and then JPG. And then I go to, once it's downloaded, I go back to uploading my video and I hit upload thumbnail. So I go to recent, and the first one there would be the thumbnail that I like, and there you go. You hit save. You can view on YouTube, and then there's your thumbnail. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below any other things I should bake or tutorials I should do. Bye!